Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to check for password leak or password compromise for all password that you save on your Gmail account on your laptop in order to protect and secure your account across internet. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your Gmail account. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right there, click on your profile icon, then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. It's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on password manager. Under the password manager, you have all password you saved so far in your Gmail account. For you to check for password compromise or leak password, what you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on go to password checkup right here. Go. Based on our information, none of your saved password are compromised. To update result, run password check in Chrome or in Android password manager. It's that simple. But in some cases, if you have any password that has been leaked or compromised, Google is going to tell you the number of password that has been linked and associated with each account as the case may be. What you need to do is to simply fix the password leak right here, change your password and protect your account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Gmail and password as far as Google products and services is concerned, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.